Mom, what is it? Mom. What is it, Mom?
Nothing.
Show me your thumb. Show me your thumb. Oh, yeah, she got it stuck on her thumb. Okay, what do we do now, Mom?
Come on. Ow! Wait, it's hurting me now. Wait. I got more finger in there. It's terrible.
Let me get a razor blade. They stuck. Yeah, let's go to the emergency room.
It could be worse. Could be a gerbil if someone's.
Mom, come on. Get it off, Mom.
You can turn it into $1,000. Hey, that's the head. There you go.
America's funniest video.
Yeah.
That's funny, Mom.
You're the one. You're the one. Oh boy, that's good. Give me a piece of ice.
It'll shrink her finger.
Yeah.